As BC backtracks on hard drug decrim, the government's storyline is one of good intentions but unforeseen outcomes. But was information available early on that could have put them on a different path?
We were looking at everyone who is diagnosed with an addiction, involved with courts or corrections, and experiencing other kinds of indicators of hardship.
Julian Somers is an SFU psychology professor who led a decades-long study that drew data from the medical, justice, and housing bureaucracies to track patterns in addiction and crime. $40 million was spent, and dozens of academic papers were published based on that data. One conclusion was that getting people properly housed was a top predictor of success for people suffering from addiction.
When people are offered the opportunity to re-assimilate into healthy communities, they rise to that challenge.
Theoretically, the best ever database assembled in BC on the intersection of homelessness, addiction, and criminality would be extremely valuable to a government about to decriminalize hard drugs. But instead, the NDP government ordered Julian Somers to delete the database. Then Housing Minister David Eby was personally briefed by Somers in 2021, about a week before the government ordered the deletion of the data. Somers suspects they'd already made up their minds that decrim was the way they were going.
The explanations they gave didn't make sense.
The BC Ministry of Health told Global News the deletion order was unrelated to decriminalization and was because a data sharing agreement had expired. But Somers disputes the need to erase his files and believes they could have helped the government avoid the situation it's in now.
Had we had the opportunity to pursue the work that we had approved and funded, we would have been able to draw attention to some potential unintended consequences much, much earlier.
At SFU, Paul Johnson, Global News.